What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video, man. We got the vet in the back, we got the silver bike over here, and we had this thing locked in. So we're actually about to pull this silver one out and see what it looks like compared to the red one, man. So let's get that lock off, pull it to the back, and do the same for the red one. Alrighty, guys, first start in like about a week. Sound good, look clean. I really need this light on my red one. It's like super bright, but I'm gonna probably grab one and just leave that one. But let's pull this thing to the back and pull the red one up, man. Alrighty, we got that silver one in the back, looking all good. And then let's go grab big brother, or let's go grab grandson. Ooh. Look at that bad boy. It's time to get a makeover, baby. Let's wake it up. Man, we probably gonna wake the neighbors up with this one, but it's the last day it's gonna be here, so. Woo, that thing sound good. Look good. It's time to go get the fairing changed out, the wheel, and the bars, man. Let's ride this thing to the back real quick. Alrighty, guys, man, they finally meet. Both of the Copart bikes. We have a 2012 Street Glide CVO. We have a 09 Electric Glide, like super bass. So you guys can just see, like, literally right off the back, the difference between a Street Glide and Electric Glide. The Street Glide is pretty much stripped all the way down. The Electric Glide has all like the extra little lights and stuff, and all the little metal brackets and bars and trimming. Because on this fender, you don't have no trimming or nothing like that. This got the 96 on there. You got the 110 on there. Got the little rail guards and stuff on this bag. If we would have had them on this bag, we probably wouldn't have had to get no more. But you guys just see, we got the tour pack, no tour pack. If we look at the inner infotainment screen, or whatever you want to call it, the inner fairing, this one looks highly, a lot more, you know, intriguing. Over here, you got some gauges you don't got over there. These ones just, you substitute the speakers on that one for like the air gauge here, and then the fuel gauge, because you know the fuel is on the gas tank there. But come around to the back, you guys see the big difference between the CVO and the regular one is that you see the tail lights on this one, they come straight down and they're on the fender. The tail light on this one is literally that light alone, so a little difference. This one has like some RC component aftermarket pipes on it. This one has stock pipes on it, so big difference. This one looks really good and like high tech on this side. The air breather, whole lot of chrome and everything. You got a whole lot of chrome over there, but it's just not like this one. Just not like this one, man. Let me know, what is your guys' favorite bike? I'm about to get ready to take the red one to go get the wheels changed out, the bars changed out, and that inner fairing. Because if you take a look at this inner fairing, it's actually scratched up. We got it like that when we got it from the auction, and we literally lucked up and found a brand new one. Same OEM scheme and everything on eBay. So that'll be good to go. We got a wraparound. We got to go back to LA this week and pick that up, because that's the only thing I didn't pick up. But our wraparound is done, and that one should be done in the next few days or something. But this one is already good and ready to go. Should be sold pretty soon, man. So hopefully we can get something going. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. And then we can just see which one is louder. Let's see. Well, there you have it. Yeah, that red one got some serious juice behind it. Serious juice. Let's see. Yes, sir, man. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, big dog.
I just thought your boo now. Ooh, she gon' eat the bread up and not dying. You would think that bag would come with water. In my face, but like a plastic bag. I see through you. Fuck them over, still take keep. Hey, you want to just kind of push over? Yeah, just a little bit further. Right, so you just bought it?
Yeah.
That's your bike.
Thanks, man.
You got a good deal on it?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah, anywhere there's good. I just don't want someone to come and stop stopping. So I'm stopping you because you don't have a plate on it, which I'm assuming if you just bought it,
I just
haven't
got
gotten
the
a DV. Do you have like title bills or any paperwork for it?
I literally just took everything out of my bag, so I'm taking it to the shop right now. It opens at 10, so I was just riding it around to BBV Power Sports.
Is that on?
It's on. It's off the 15, right off the 15 in like Spring Mountain.
Okay.
Yeah, so I was literally just trying to kill some time.
I got you. Do you happen to have a driver's license? Your driver's license with it? You living out here now, or?
No, I'm just visiting my girlfriend right now.
Should you buy this out here in California?
No, I bought this from the auction out of state.
Do you know what state it?
It came from Atlanta, but it's already in my name.
It's already what?
It's already in my name. It came from Atlanta.
Okay, so what state is it?
California.
It's California title then. Okay.
Yeah.
Has it ever been it hasn't been registered in California yet then?
It's registered right now. It's just
you're just going
doesn't have the plates on it.
Oh, so when I run that VIN, it should pop up.
Yeah.
And then you don't have the motorcycle endorsement though?
Well, the COVID, they had slowed everything down, so my appointment to take the test got canceled. So I'm just still waiting to take the test.
Is DMV in California kind of going back to normal at all, or
actually they just opened it up, but it's like so busy, like stuff
are they doing appointments still?
Yeah, they're doing appointments only, and then after like August 8th they had canceled literally all the appointments. There's no new appointments, so I'm guessing they gotta chop some stuff down.
Okay. And then so you don't have like a truck or a trailer or anything that you can put it on to race the shop? Your only way to get there is to ride it there?
Yeah, that's my only way.
So you rode it out here then from California?
Yeah.
How was that ride?
It was pretty windy. It wasn't that bad. It was actually, I came in the morning, so it wasn't too hot.
Okay. I mean, even right now it's not.
Yeah, that's why I was like trying to get it in early, man.
I got you. You want to hang out? I mean, there by the curb. Just don't go step in the road. You know?
Yeah, no, I got you.
Your license is down though, right? Just
yeah.
Yeah.
So we got pulled over. Yeah.
How many? You got just under 10, about 10,000 miles on it? Yeah. On a 2012?
Yeah. From the auction, man.
Is it it's not a salvage title, is it?
It is.
Oh, that's why then. Okay.
Yeah, when I got it, the bags were kind of messed up, so I literally just got done putting it together. I'm on the last finishing touches right now. Yeah, I'll show you the pictures.
So obviously, when you buy cars, you bought salvage title cars too?
Yeah,
like,
when I buy cars.
Paying to register them?
See, that's the thing. When I buy cars, I try to buy clean title because it's easier to sell.
Well, yeah, no doubt.
Like bikes, they don't really care salvage or not, you know?
Well, I mean, because here's the thing. At the end of the day, you could drop a bike.
See, this is the bike I just got.
That's how much. How many miles on that one?
78,000. It's a lot of miles on this one, but it was no damage, and it was sold by Progressive Insurance.
Well, you wonder, that's a clean title?
Yeah, no, this is actually the other one. Is they both salvage title. So this is actually this morning. Both lined up together.
Look at that.
So, I mean, it looks good. Like it's no damage on the other one. It's just not as fast as this one.
Sure.
At all.
Yeah. So you got them both out here in Vegas?
Yeah, I got them both out here, man.
What kind of stuff you looking to get into, or?
Oh, well, I do YouTube now, so
okay.
That's pretty much what I do. Like just buy and sell at the auction on YouTube.
So you know, like Goon Squad, like all those.
Oh yeah, Goon Squad. They're my boys. When they was at 11K, bro, I subscribed. We was chatting back and forth. They fucking blew up.
Their videos, like I started watching them back when they first started rebuilding their Mustang.
Oh yeah, the blue one, yeah. Bro, that was like a year ago. Where they didn't have Lambo, every car you pretty much.
And then I'm like, these guys are kind of like, they're just like robotic.
Bro, they just bought a fucking, they just bought a whole fucking mansion on the top of the hill, bro.
Just watched the last, like the news video.
Yeah, that shit is crazy, dog.
Anyways, yeah, so I mean, I hope I'll see you up there.
Hey, bro, everything's regular, man. If you want to subscribe.
Everything's regular?
Everything's regular, exactly how it sounds.
Take a peek at that, definitely.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man.
Be careful on this thing, especially if you get stopped. I mean, you don't have the class in.
Right.
I'm not worried about it. Obviously, I can tell you're not stopping for me.
Right.
First and foremost.
Yeah, no, I don't have no.
You're not weaving out of traffic, blowing through red lights. You know, COVID screwed everybody up, screwed everybody over.
Right.
See what you can do about getting an appointment at least for that test, and then the DMV and so you're doing California.
Yeah, exactly.
Whenever they give you like, ask them for a confirmation, like email, text message, something like that. In the event you get stopped. You know, because like I asked you, like, hey, you don't have the class in.
Right,
you know, you can be like, no, but.
Yeah, I ain't trying to get this thing. I appreciate
everything's
that,
real.
Right. Everything is regular.
Everything's regular. I'm gonna
Everything's regular, yeah.
do some of that now, otherwise I'm gonna forget it. Okay, so, are you just gonna hang out until, shoot.
Yeah, well, I'll probably kill time now, so I'm gonna probably just hop back on the freeway and head over there now.
23 man. Like, what was your name again?
Appreciate you, man. Likewise, brother.
Take care of yourself.
Be safe out here, man. Oh, guys, I just got pulled over. Cool ass cop. Alrighty, guys, we just pulled up to BBV Power Sports, man. This is the last time we will see the street glide before it gets pretty much done. Shout out to my boy over there, man. He came through, he watches my channel, man. So if you're watching this video, I do appreciate you tuning in and supporting, man. So I appreciate y'all. We about to drop the bike off. I'm thinking I gotta go find another radio because I want to get one marine radio, and then I want the music to be crisp on here. So I think I'm gonna go try to find a radio today, something not too expensive. But other than that, the bars and the wheels will be on, so that's a plus, man. On me. Yeah, man, he follow me, support. Y'all go check my boy out. Got the fresh victory. All right, man. Good looking, man. Ride safe, bro. What happened? For sure. Likewise, brother. Oh, yeah. On me. Got the victory. Yes, sir. Alrighty, guys. We are back in the vet, man. About to go try to find a little radio, a marine radio, because the stock one, it keeps cutting in and out, like after you like turn up the volume oh so high. So I need that thing to be like working perfectly, man. We got the CVO, so we got to treat it like a CVO. Got to have it all A1 and intact, man. So let's go to this little radio shop, try to get a radio, take it up to BBV, and you know, we should be waiting for our bike then. Alrighty, guys, we just pulled up to 702 motoring, man. Let's try to get this radio for this bike real quick now, shall we? So yeah, we just pulled up to 702 motoring, man. All right, appreciate it, man. They got everything for the bikes here. They got saddlebags, speaker covers, and all that, man. So if y'all out here in Vegas, y'all need to come check him out. He over here getting down on the bike right now. It's crazy because, you know, we about to get ours situated. So let's see how it all work out, man. But so far, I think we're gonna go with this digital media radio right here for Harley Davidson motorcycle. So we'll see how it work out. All right, man. So we ended up grabbing that waterproof radio. So we should be good there. Let's head back to BBV, drop that thing off, and see if we got any wires or anything like that for it, man. We're about to go. Actually, we're about to go put our steering wheel on. We're about to go put our steering wheel on for this, our brand new steering wheel. I'm tired of this one. I think it's just about that time. It's running just how I love it, and I'm digging it right now, man. So let's get it going. Alrighty, we got our radio. Just pulled back up to BBV. Let's don't look like they pulled the bike in just yet, but that's cool. It's all good. So alrighty, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. We back at the crib, man. We pretty much just waiting on the bike now. We should be getting everything moved in the next couple of days. So let me know what you guys think about today's video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't already, visit everythingsregular.com. We got the silver bike back there. We got the vet waiting on the red bike. I can't wait, man. Let's get it, man.